Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, January 25th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart with some Japanese candlesticks, basic technical analysis tools, and Elliott wave theory together. So let's just zoom out to see what is going on here on this chart. We got the BTCEUR midterm Elliott wave outlook on this chart, and as you can see, we just recently broke below this level of 37,251. There was a series of the levels, horizontal levels, and we broke just below all of this. So it looks like this triangle that we just let's say draw last time might be getting way bigger than expected. So let me just make it a little bit like this. But this is, remember, just the visualization of the potential corrective pattern. It can be any other corrective pattern. It doesn't have to be any sort of the triangle. It's just the most statistically probable pattern right now across all of the different class of assets that is apparently present during the wave 4 formation. So what do we have here is let's say a almost completed Elliott wave impulsive cycle. We got 3 waves completed with the highs at 32,141 40,141, yes, and the recent low located at 36,409, and now the market is trying to bounce. Nevertheless, let me just zoom in. Nevertheless, because of this recent let's say situation here with the breakout below of these levels, so let me just move it here. Okay, because of this recent situation when we broke below 37,251, 37,513 and 38,000 euro, the situation is a little bit different because those levels will now act as the technical resistance. So we can switch all of these colors to the red, because those levels are now the technical resistance. They are not that much important anymore because the market clearly tested these levels and clearly broke below all of them, and now it's returning higher. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit more to see what was the previous correction. The previous correction wasn't that much because it looks like the price range of the previous correction that we had from this low to this high was roughly 5%. There you go, 4.86. So right now, and there was one more correction, so the other one was 2.97. So there are very small corrections from the recent low to the recent high. We got 4.62. So that's apparently the correction that fits to our overall corrective range. Let me just zoom in even more. And what is going on right now? Most likely, these corrections will all act as another, let's say, excuse for the bears to make more pressure on the markets. However, any breakout above 38,000 might change this situation, because potential wave B in this situation will be in progress, right? So we need a breakout above 38,000 euro, then eventually above this swing high 40,000, basically 40,000 euro, and then the wave B might be in progress, and that's a good development, especially for the bulls, because we then would be sure that this low here, 35,484, is the swing low, and we are done with the first leg of the correction. Let's just take a look how big is in general this correction. So we have the low, so the correction was over 20%, almost 21%. That's the corrective cycle, and to be honest with you guys, this corrective cycle might be just enough for the bears for the bulls to resume the uptrend, because it looks like this corrective movement to the downside, it's maybe not that big, because it's 20%, but it's already kind of in line with the previous corrections. So the only difference is basically that those previous corrections, for example, big wave 2 correction, was way longer in time. which is why our preferred count for the correction here in wave 4 and preferred scenario is the correction visualized here as the triangle pattern. And when this triangle pattern is done, then the upside should be resumed. So the uptrend might easily get the last swing high, 44,000, right? 44,698, and then make another swing high. But there is no target projection for the wave 5 just yet, because first we need to complete wave 4 correction. So that's the situation on the Bitcoin to Euro. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye-bye.